So today we are going to discuss the sources of fund. The following are the sources from which the funds generally flow into the business. The first one is fund from the operation or trading profit. The second is issue of share capital. Then the third one is issue of debenture and raising of loan, etc. Then sale of fixed asset and long-term or trade investment. The next one, non-trading receipts and decrease in working capital. So we will discuss it one by one. So over here, trading and profit and loss account is one of the most important and major source of fund. Now, because of sales are the main source of inflow of fund business into business, they increase the current asset. But at the same time, there will be outflow because there are expenses too in the business. The net effect of operating will be the sources of fund if inflow from the sales exceeds the outflow of expenses and the cost of goods sold and vice versa. So there are some of the example of such item on the debit side being either debited or credited to the debit side of profit and loss account are amortization of fictitious and intangible assets such as goodwill, preliminary expenses, and discount on issue of shares and debentures written off. Like this, they have given some of the items which are on the debit side, and they have given you some of the items which are on the credit side, and by comparing these two we will get fund from operation. So there are two methods of finding out fund from operation. The first one is profit and loss account. By taking into consideration only the fund and operation item which involve fund are not and are related to normal operation of the business, the banking figure in the case will be either fund generated from operations or fund lost in operation, depending upon whether the income or the credit side of profit and loss account exceed the expenses or debit side of profit and loss account or vice versa. And the second method is to proceed from the figure of net profit or net loss as arrived at from the profit and loss account already prepared. Fund from the operation by this method can be calculated as under. So here are some of the items with the help of which we can calculate the fund from operation. The first one is closing balance of profit and loss or retained earning as given in the balance sheet. You are going to add non-fund and non-operating items which have been already debited to profit and loss account. Second, depreciation, amortization of fictitious and intangible assets, appropriation of retained earning, loss on sale of any non-current assets such as loss on sale of land, building, machinery, furniture, long-term investment, dividends including interim and proposed dividend. Interim dividend means which we get in the middle of the year or middle of the month or like that, or how the company has divided its interim. Provision for taxation, then any other non-fund or non-operating item which has been debited to profit and loss account. After this we are going to add all these items and we will write the amount over here. The next one is non-fund or non-operating items which have already been credited to profit and loss account. These are the some of the items which we are going to take on the credit side of profit and loss account of operating fund, that is fund from operations, while calculating the fund. So we will total this one also and we are going to write the amount, and after this we are going to subtract section A, that is on the profit and which are the funds which are on the debit side minus which are on the credit side. So the amount which we will get is the fund generated by operations. This is normal format and there is a T format for this also. This is the T format. Now we will try to understand it by with the example of this. So they have given you BM company present the following information and you are required to calculate the funds from operations. So they have given you all the expenses and all the credit side items. From this we are going to calculate calculation of fund from operations. So first we are going to write down the net profit. So the net profit will be already available in the question. They have given you over here net profit, that is 52,000. We are going to write it over here. After that we are going to add all the items which are on the debit side of profit and loss account. Means operations we are not going to take any kind of operations. Then we are going to take depreciation, loss on sale of building, then advertisement. We are not going to take any kind of discount allowed to customer because it won't be calculated under funds from operation. Then discount on issue of shares, and the last one is goodwill written off. So we are going to add all these items by giving a heading non-fund or non-operating items which have been debited to profit and loss account. We will add all these and we are going to write the amount on the outer side, and we are going to add both 52 and 67. We will get 1,19,500. After that we are going to deduct non-fund and non-operating item which are on the credit side of profit and loss account. There is only one item in this problem, so we are going to deduct 20,000, and first we will write the amount inside, and after that we will transfer it to outside, and we are going to deduct from 1,19,500 20,000. We will get 99,500. So this 99,500 is a fund from operations which we will get. And for this is a normal, that is a horizontal format, and right now we will discuss the T format. Again, on that they have made two columns, that is debit and credit. So on the debit side they have given you all the amount, and on the credit side they have given you two amount. There is no kind of opening balance there, that's why there is 0, and there is a gain on sale of plant, that is 20, and all the amounts you are going to write it over here on the from the debit side. Then you are going to deduct, by adding all this you are going to deduct this amount 20,000. You will get 99,500, so which is a fund from operations. Over here closing balance is net profit only, and this is, there is no opening balance, that is gross profit we are not taking in this, that's why we didn't wrote anything. So over here we are going to complete the how to calculate fund from operations and adjusted profit and loss account.